Number 1. 1994 GMC 3500, price $7,500. With 191,000 miles, it is powered by a strong 454 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a reliable 4x4 drivetrain, making it a great choice for towing, hauling, or off-road use. The truck has a clean white exterior with a gray interior and sits on good tires, ensuring a solid and dependable ride. Additionally, it is completely rust-free, a rare find for a truck of this age, and has been well cared for over the years. It holds a rebuilt title due to cosmetic damage from a storm, but all necessary repairs have been completed, restoring its appearance and functionality. Despite its history, the truck runs and drives well, offering both power and durability. It's a great option for someone looking for a dependable work truck or a strong foundation for a custom build. Number 2. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. With a 5.7L engine paired with a 700R automatic transmission. While the truck itself has 265,000 miles, the engine has approximately 98,000 miles, though there is no paperwork to confirm. It has a black exterior, a red interior, and has undergone extensive upgrades. Recent work includes new long tube headers, a Flowmaster Super 10 exhaust system, and a new battery. Additionally, the truck has a new gas tank, fuel pump, and filter, along with new shocks, tires, brakes, and calipers all around. The headlights and rain guards are also brand new, and a 4-inch steel cowl hood from Summit Racing was recently installed. The frame has been partially repainted, with the bed removed for better access during the process. While a fresh paint job would make it perfect, the truck runs and drives smoothly with no mechanical issues. It's a well-maintained and upgraded classic that's ready to hit the road. Number 3. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. With 243,000 miles and a manual transmission. It has a gray exterior and matching gray interior, running on gasoline. The engine was swapped before the current owner acquired it, and while the exact mileage on the motor is unknown, it has received several new components. Recent work includes a new head gasket, intake gasket, valve cover gasket, distributor cap, spark plugs and wires, alternator, tensioner arm and pulley, starter, and both the slave and master cylinders. Equipped with 4.11 gears, this truck runs great and has plenty of potential. The owner is considering keeping and repainting it but is giving it one last chance to sell. It's a strong running pickup with essential upgrades, making it a great option for someone looking for a dependable project truck. Number 4. 1966 Ford F250, price $8,900. With just 47,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a 352 V8 engine paired with a floor-shifted manual transmission, delivering a true vintage driving experience. The truck sports a tan exterior and interior, maintaining a clean and original look. Remarkably, it has only had 2 owners, with the first keeping it for 57 years, reflecting its well-maintained history and care over the decades. Despite its age, the truck runs and drives well, making it a reliable classic that can be enjoyed as is or restored to its full potential. The body is in good condition, preserving the original character of this timeless workhorse. A fully restored version could be valued at around $30,000. Number 5. 1974 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. This classic truck featuring a freshly rebuilt and painted 350 engine with a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor. It has an automatic transmission, a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with a dual fuel tank system, though one tank needs to be reconnected. A brand new additional fuel tank is included, along with an extra set of GM rims. It also features an aftermarket cowl hood, adding to its aggressive look. The radio needs some wiring work, and while there is some minor rust, it is nothing significant. Overall, this Chevy 1500 is a great classic truck with plenty of potential. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet C10, price $5,500. It has a red exterior with a matching red interior and features a manual 3-speed transmission. The truck has 80,700 miles on the odometer and is powered by a strong-running 250 V6 engine. It drives great and has been well maintained, making it a perfect choice for a classic truck enthusiast or a restoration project. Several new components have been installed, including a new starter, alternator, brake booster, and shifting linkage kit. The truck also has a functioning heater for added comfort. With a clean title and an eye-catching look, this Chevy turns heads wherever it goes and is ready for its next owner. Number 7. 1991 Ford F250, price $10,000. This is a powerful and reliable work truck with 117,000 miles. It features a 351W engine that has been gone through and converted to a carburetor. The truck has also been upgraded to F350 specifications with rebuilt 1-ton axles, 4.10 gears, and a posy rear. It comes with a manual transmission, 4-wheel drive, and a rust-free frame. The exterior is white with a gray interior, and the truck sits on brand new tires with less than 50 miles on them. Several new parts have been installed, including a front gas tank, fuel pump, and a complete brake system. It also has a line lock, replaced brake lines, and a Bluetooth radio with a 6-inch subwoofer. While the bed has some dents and an exhaust leak, the truck remains structurally sound and ready for any job. Number 8. 1983 Ford F150, price $3,000. This is a solid 4WD truck with 180,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a powerful 351W engine and a black exterior. The truck runs and drives great, with a recently installed new battery, Pioneer radio, and fuel pump, along with other minor updates. The 4-wheel drive functions perfectly, making it a reliable choice for various driving conditions. While it could use a few small improvements to be perfect, it is fully capable of getting wherever it needs to go in its current condition. A great option for anyone looking for a dependable classic truck with plenty of power. Number 9. 1986 GMC 3500, price $8,750. This is a powerful and durable truck, built on a 1-ton frame with a Dana 60 front axle and a 14-bolt rear axle, both equipped with 4.10 gears. It features a sleek black exterior, a matching black interior, and an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it houses a newer carbureted 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission and an NP205 transfer case, delivering solid performance. The truck rides on new tires and benefits from a fully rebuilt brake system, including all components from the pedal to the pads, ensuring reliable stopping power. Designed for both work and customization, it features dual fuel tanks and a well-equipped interior while maintaining manual crank windows for a classic touch. Additionally, it comes with 2 uncut GM fenders, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a sturdy, vintage truck with plenty of potential. Number 10. 1988 Ford F250, price $3,500. This is a solid and well-maintained truck with 117,000 miles on the odometer. It features a powerful 460 big block Ford engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The 4-wheel drive system functions properly, making it a capable workhorse. The truck has a red exterior and interior, maintaining a classic look. The body is straight with only minor rust in each cab corner, while the bed floor is in excellent condition and has never had a 5th wheel installed. Currently, the truck runs and drives well but requires a new water pump, as the existing one has a significant leak. Other than that, it remains a dependable vehicle with plenty of potential. A battery is not included, but it comes with a clean title, making it a great candidate for restoration or continued use.